Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix App Store is not downloading apps on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're facing the issue that your App Store is not downloading apps, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to scroll down in Control Center and you have to make sure that you have a stable and a strongest network connection. It might be your Wi-Fi cellular data, or you can also try to switch between your Wi-Fi cellular data, or you can try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 to 5 times. You make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then go back from here and open your settings app, go to general, go to VPN device management, and just make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you're connected to any kind of VPN, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting VPN, just go back and here go to the software update section and try to update your software. After updating software, go to iPhone storage section and you have to make sure that you have almost 10 to 15 GB free with your iPhone storage to download, install and run any app smoothly. Then go back from here and here go to screen time section. Go to content and privacy restrictions and disable all the restrictions from here. After disabling restrictions, you just have to go back and you have to retry to download or install any app within your app store to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you have to try to make a forced restart with your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Now to do that, you have to quickly press and raise your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you just have to unlock your phone. And here, you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can check some more settings. Open your settings app here. Go to apps section. Go to App Store here. And you just have to enable this app downloads and then select always allow. There's no any limit over here. You have to select always allow, then go back from here and just retry to check if your issue had been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to reset your network settings. Open your settings app, go to general, go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all over your network settings. If there will be any issue with your iPhone network settings, it will be fixed in the step and you'll not get the issue again. But if your issue still persists, you have the only way. You have to open your Apple's Photo app. You can easily install this app from your App Store, or you can use Apple's Photo app. Select iPhone from here, select this more option, then select App Store, and here just wait for the loading. And then you have to select Get More Help, then tap on Colors. After that, you will find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.